When starting a new lesson, review before introducing new letters. Begin the lesson by displaying the tiles of previously learned letters. One by one, ask the student, "What is this letter?" to check their recognition. If the student answers correctly and confidently, remove that tile from the board. Continue until only the new, unfamiliar letters remain. Now, use the same strategy to introduce these new letters, focusing on clear pronunciation, repetition, drawing the letter, and interactive identification through the flip tiles activity. Now start the new lesson. Step 1. Introduce, repeat, and engage with the letter. Start by using one tile at a time and say the letter out loud and clearly. Ask the student to repeat after you, also loudly and clearly, to help them internalize the correct pronunciation. Then, draw the letter on the screen or a whiteboard and ask each student to try drawing it themselves while repeating the sound. This reinforces both the sound and shape of the letter together in their memory. Once this is done, use the shuffle option, then ask, "Where is the letter?" This adds an element of fun while continuing to focus on recognition and pronunciation. Step 2. Shift to identification. After the student has had enough practice and is confidently repeating and recognizing the letter, you can move on to this step. Use random spinner to show only one card and ask, "What is this letter?" This encourages independent recall of both the sound and the shape of the letter, helping to solidify their learning. Tip: only move to step 2 once the student is consistently recognizing and pronouncing the letter correctly with confidence.